Finding the courage to change. Living amends. Sometimes it's impossible to really make a proper amends. Sometimes the harm I have done cannot be undone with a simple apology. Sometimes I've done a terrible harm. Sometimes the other person has ended our relationship or passed on. The feelings of guilt and shame can be terrible to live with, but they can also be put to a productive use. They can spur on my efforts at self improvement. They encourage me to make living amends. A living amend is a daily effort to improve my behavior patterns so that I don't continue to harm others. It can take many different forms. One of my living amends involves making a regular and consistent effort to stay more connected with my far flung family members. When I left home, I was running away. I didn't want anything to do with my family, and I pretty much abandoned them for years. Gradually, I started reaching out and rebuilding broken and strained relationships. I was 40 before I rebuilt the relationships with my core family. Soon after that, my own personal family relationships started to fail. This was a curse and a blessing because my higher power used this to bring me to the 12 steps. I began a journey of recovery. What a relief it was to discover living amends. For those situations where I can't adequately repair the damage I have caused, I can resolve to do my best going forward. I'm learning from my mistakes and growing in my recovery every day.